To draw a pose, it's important to start with a clear structure. Simplifying the body into basic shapes helps you understand and build the pose, whether you're working or a reference. In this example, I picked a challenging reference and broke the pose down into simple shapes. I used the line to represent the body's flow, added shapes for the torso and hips, and marked the joints of the arm and legs with circles. The pose is complex. To help you understand it, I first sketched over the reference with basic shapes to show what I was looking at. Then I began drawing the pose on my own. This can be hard at first, so be patient with yourself. Focus on the structure and avoid getting lost in small details too early. I usually start with the head, then look at how it connects to the torso and arms. I move step by step, drawing elements that relate to each other rather than jumping around. This helps keep the pose balanced. One trick I use is to watch the negative space, the gaps between body parts, like the space between the arm and the torso. Getting that space right helps keep proportions accurate. I also use the liquify tool to make small corrections. When you're deep into drawing, your eye can trick you into thinking everything is placed correctly. So it's good to double check, but don't overuse it. And don't worry about making your drawing 100% identical to the reference. So yeah, that's the idea. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on building a solid structure and understanding the pose. The more you break things down and simplify, the easier it gets. Be patient with yourself, keep practicing, and trust that over time your eyes and hand will get better at drawing together. Alright, that's for today. I hope you helped you out, and I will see you in the next one.